how has the COVID-19 pandemic impacted your business?
Interestingly, it has had a very positive effect on our business for some strange reason that we can't quite figure out. But we've had our best months of sales recently since the lockdown. And we think it's because many of our customers have been cleaning up their to-do list. And many of them have wanted to they've wanted to provide EV charging solutions to their stakeholders, to their tenants, to their customers, to their employees for a long time. But they haven't had the time to focus on it and to research it. And now they have that time. And so it's so interesting. We're getting calls from customers that we've talked to for a long time saying we're ready to move forward. So we've had some very strong months. I feel very fortunate to say that. I know there are so many people out there that are really struggling. But I say to our team that we are dealing with the second great international crisis, climate change.
Yeah.
And I'm pleased to say that while we're dealing with the pandemic, people have not forgotten that there is a very important challenge out there for us. And the EV market is one way of addressing that.